that. Yeah, no, that's what I want you to do. Hold still. Got it. Oh, shoot. You done figured out I ain't playing.
Bring it back. You squishing his brain?
Well, I wish I had a long knife. And all I got is this little small one.
Is it dead or is it alive?
He's alive until I cut his head off. Take his outfit home. We'll get him after we check. Alright, just another day in the life. We was walking up to check the pigs and saw this little copperhead laying in the driveway. I tried to not hurt him. All I had was a stick and a pocket knife. So I was trying to not hurt him, but I did hit him with a stick right there and damaged him just a little bit. But we don't normally kill snakes, except for the poisonous ones. So listen, he come across with the wrong kind. But we're gonna keep his outfit. Man, he's fresh.
Hey, can Devin stay tonight to watch fireworks tomorrow?
Come here, help me hold this thing, Hunter.
Can't do that.
But we're videoing taking an outfit off a snake.
It's just a snake.
No, but most people never seen this.
It's not one.
Is it trying to get away from you?
We're videoing, so don't say nothing stupid. So I'm gonna try to get down the middle as best I can, which you can tell by the scales. Devin, we're gonna grill this thing and put it on pizza.
Are you actually gonna put it on some pizza?
Yeah.
I want you on my sauce.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You getting extra on your sauce.
It's going all on the whole pizza.
All right. So it's a little tricky right here when you get to the butthole. Oh, don't get that on you. It stinks bad. It's always hard to skin them right here. I always don't do real good. I might need a. You got anything sharp? My knife's a little dull. Snake poop on me. Was it sharp?
Try it. Blade.
Oh, gross. You just flung that crap on me.
Probably snake pee. Alright, so try to split him down there in the middle best you
I
can.
don't want the snake poo.
Try to get as far as you can. I've already got it over me.
I don't want on me.
It's on me too.
Hunter's a plumber and he's worried about snake pee.
Because I'm working on something. You do it.
No, I'm holding it. Just don't cut me.
I'm done with it.
Trying to cut through the other side. The tip's always the hardest. Hey, look, Ashton. Right there. His heart's still beating.
I'm back up.
Devin, come here and look. The heart's still beating. See it?
That's his heart.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
There.
All right. It's very simple.
Try the snake guts.
What are you gonna do with the skin?
Keep it. You know what? I had a bunch of copperhead skins in the freezer. I bet she threw them away. No joke.
It's pretty
So
good.
I'm right,
I'm gonna keep grabbing it. Right there. You don't want to keep pulling because sometimes it'll tear. Doesn't look like it just shed. It's pretty. All right. So this is sometimes a little touchy. You can't really use the tip unless you're gonna keep it whole anyway. Oh, this one's gonna come off good. Look at there. Hunter did a good job. There's the body and the guts. You can eat it if you want. Let's see if I can spread it out. kind of get an idea what it looks like. So we'll salt it and roll him up. And clean him up later.